So in simple terms, change reconciliation is knowing all of the changes that were planned and authorized, understanding if they were carried out and were complete, and then knowing the totality of changes that occurred beyond what was planned and authorized and completed, and all of the changes that perhaps were unauthorized, some of them complete, some of them not. And then reconciling or settlement, if you will, to go back to that, is to understand the discrepancy and produce a report, an actionable report that shows the the delta, or the difference between the changes that you meant to do and the changes that were done, because quite often, and I would say almost always, there will be changes that were not planned, that were done ad hoc. These changes were done for expediency's sake. Something was wrong, a hero stepped up, fixed the problem because time was of the essence, and the change advisory board, if you're following IDLE, was skipped. The other complexity in that is in today's cloud world or DevOps, we have changes coming from multiple directions. We may have them coming downstream, if you will, from something like ServiceNow or Snow as part of a change management process, but we may also have them firing up upstream, if you will, through the CI/CD process. Today, many DevOps organizations are looking at things like configuration as code. So not only are they pushing out new software and new apps to bring new business functionality and innovation to market, but they're also pushing out the configuration as well. So we've got changes coming from multiple directions. We've got authorized changes, authorized that may be not complete, authorized that are. We've got unauthorized that may be complete or not. And there may be interdependencies between the multiple directions of change. So reconciling is bringing everything to order across all of those varied directions. And that's a really hard thing to do. However, it's incredibly important because performance, customer experience, availability, and all of this may be highly dependent on all of that being settled, if you will, and in order. The benefit is you can start to evolve from the traditional build, break, fix mode that IT's been in for many, many decades, where we're chasing down problems and we're attempting to resolve them, explain the cause, and restore service. Instead, you can move into more of a preventative or proactive mode and find things that may cause problems. If you're using AI, pattern matching technology, and other algorithms, you can even calculate what the potential risk might be from one of these changes, perhaps an unplanned change. Looking at what the change, what the scope or blast radius or distance is between it and other important elements, and then take action. Think of this as being prescriptive, taking action to prevent problems, thus lowering your risk and increasing your ability to deliver higher levels of service.